In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe Instant Payouts in just 5 minutes. Let's get started right away. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and navigate to stripe.com. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find the Sign In button. You'll want to click on that to access your account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you have these details handy. Sign in using your credentials, and you should now be taken to your Stripe dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the Home section of the dashboard. This is where we'll start configuring your payout settings. Now, focus your attention on a section labeled Balance. In this section, you'll be able to manage your financial settings, including setting up payout accounts. Look for an option that says Add Bank Account and click on it. You might see this option more than once as we're navigating through similar settings. Don't worry, just follow along and we'll get you to the right place. For some of you, depending on your region or specific account settings, Stripe might prompt you to navigate to your settings page instead. If this occurs, don't be alarmed. Find and click on the settings option somewhere on your dashboard. Once you are in your settings, your next step is to locate the account settings area. Within these settings, find the option marked Business. This is often where Stripe stores settings related to the business operations of your account. Navigate to the section called Linked External Accounts, where you'll manage how Stripe sends money to your bank. At this point, locate the button or link that says Manage Payout Accounts. Clicking this will guide you through a more focused area, where you can add and manage bank accounts to receive your payouts from Stripe. Finally, it's time to click on another button, which should say Add a Bank Account. Input your bank details carefully. After setting up a bank account, you're not completely done yet. Since you might want quick access to your funds, make sure to set your payout schedule as instant. This ensures that your payouts are processed immediately. Stripe will prompt you with options on how often you want funds transferred to your bank account. Choose the schedule that best suits your business needs. And there you have it. You've successfully set up instant payouts in Stripe. Now, whenever you process payments, your funds can be sent straight to your bank without delay. With everything set up firmly and securely, you can focus on what you do best, running your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tutorials like this one.